Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to showcase you two important AI tools which will be very helpful for you to automate your research paper writing, especially literature review. So the literature review writing part is very important while writing a research paper. So especially when you are writing literature review, so you have to analyze different kinds of reference papers and you have to write the literature review. So there are some different AI tools are available which use it to write literature review and make your literature review writing simple. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI tools and how you can use it for your literature review writing. The first tool what we are going to discuss today is that Eskritor AI. So in this tool you can see that transform your writing with AI academic content writer. So in this you can see this is a dashboard of this Eskritor AI. So here you can see different options: high quality academic outputs, AI powered writing tailored for students and scholars. So here you will be having an option called upload a file, or you can copy and paste the content. So thereby you can write a literature review. So or else these are some of the suggested topics. You can select that topics also. For example, I am going to click steps to structure an academic essay effectively. So click the button to start writing now. So you can just click on generate academic content. So it will analyze that particular topic and it will generate content for you. So as far as this Eskritor AI is concerned, so you have to it is a special tool which is designed only for academic content generation. So you can give whatever the type of citation you want, and you can give next, and you can give web search, and you can give the content should explain the steps to structure an academic essay. It focuses on academic essays. So here you can customize whatever the options you want. You can select it as research paper, or you can describe the method to organize. So the explanation target helping writers to improve essay organization. So you can that is use this option involved here, that is teaching individuals to essay organization. The content should include common structural elements like introduction, body and conclusion. The tone should be instructional and clear, or informative and concise. So whatever you want you can give here, or you can customize here. So you can select at least two statements only. So you can select any of the two statements. So next you can give next. So it will analyze the web, as we have not given any papers or any details or any databases. So just we are told that AI tool to search from web. So it will analyze the content from web and it will generate content for you. So here these are the objectives. So word count the article should be, so you can give whatever you want. So here for example I am going to previous target audience. So you can give the target audience. The guide is designed for undergraduate, graduate students, or the content targets academic writers seeking to improve their research essay style. So here I am going to give the second one, and then give on next tone and style. So you can give the tone and style. The tone should be formal, instructive with clear, concise explanation. So next you can give the article should be between 800 to 1200 words. So I am giving that only. So if you want you can add that is increase or decrease the number of words. So and then format structure. So the essay must be structured with heading for introduction, literature review, methodology, results and conclusion. So and then just click on next. So it will prepare your final request to perfect your content. So what is the exact word count or range you need to follow in your academic research paper? So you can give 1000 words and just click on next. Can you provide the precise formatting style? Again it is asking MLA. Do you have specific research case studies, experiments or data set you want? So I am going to give skip and then just click on start writing. So you have to log in with your mail ID. So here you can see this is the topic we have asked for: steps to structure an essay effectively. So let us see how this Eskritor AI will generate answer for us. So for free we have not go for any subscription. So let us see how this will generate content for us. So it is starting generating the content as we have asked for research paper. So this is how it will automate your writing. So that's it. You can do with the free option. So after that if you need, so here it is generating the content. So after that you have to use this all the options. You have to go for subscription. So in this itself you can see that there are different options are available. So you can generate image for this particular document, or you can make an AI chat with this particular document. If you want to ask any questions related with that, so you can ask any questions. So and then if you want to transform it, so you can use the option called transform, and then enhance. So if you want to enhance the content, you can enhance the content. So this is the download option. So you can download the using PDF only if you have a subscription. So here you will be having a subscription that is weekly $1.99 per week, and for yearly it is 0.76 per week. So if you are interested to automate this kind of output from this Eskritor AI, so you can avail this option, and it is one of the tool which is offering less price when compared with all other AI tools. So you can go for this Eskritor AI to automate your research paper writing, especially literature review. So this is the first AI tool. So whenever you are struggling to automate your writing, or if you are making a research paper, so if you are struggling to make a literature review easily, so you can use this kind of option. So the next tool what we are going to discuss is that LMS AI. So in this LMS AI tool, you will be having different kind of LMS AI template, especially designed for research paper writing. So if you want to make an instant literature review, you will be having two different options. So the first one will be literature review. So you have to log in with your mail ID. In this in literature review, so you will be asked to give 5 different contents. So there's 5 different references. So you can copy and paste that 5 different references here. So thereby it will automate your literature review writing. So let us see how it will works out. So in this LMS AI literature review template, so I have given some 5 contents from a random reference paper. So here this is the 5 references I have given to this literature review template. So automatically it will generate the review for that particular references. For each references it will give the main findings and limitations of the paper. So as like you will find for that 5 different papers. So like that also you can use this literature review template in order to make an instant literature review. So the next template is that reference to content. So in this reference to content template, so you can copy that 5 references. So and then you can give the citation style whatever you want. So I am going to give APA. So and then you can just click on generate content. So it will take several seconds and it will generate a literature review for you. So whenever if you are in an urge to make a literature review faster, so you can use this kind of option. Or if you are making a bulk of references, so for example say if you are making around 100 odd references, literature review for 100 odd references, so you can use this kind of option. So this is how the literature review is automated. So you can see all the papers are cited, first, second, third, fourth and fifth paper, or all the papers are cited here. So you can use this literature review for your research paper writing. So this is how you can use this LMS AI templates in order to automate your literature review writing. So this is one of the best options where you can use this LMS AI in order to make your literature review writing faster. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so for just $199, so you can avail all our you can access all our LMS AI template for 1 month at just ₹99. So you can access for 1 month, so for $2.5. So this is one of the best offer you can earn to make your literature review writing simple. So and you can have unlimited access. That is very important. There is no limitations for using this LMS AI template. And the important thing is that so you can get one plagiarism plus AI report for that particular plan also. So make use of this option and make your literature review writing simple. So hope these 2 AI tools will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.